This question from inverse trigonometric functions where we have to prove that sin inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 5 by 12 plus cos inverse 63 by 65 is equal to pi by 2 was asked in CBSE 2023 Class 12 Maths Board examination. So to solve this question, first I'm going to convert this sin inverse and cos inverse in terms of tan inverse. Let's assume sin inverse 4 by 5 equal to A. Hence I can say that sin A will be equal to 4 by 5. Now if we draw a right angle triangle, so if this angle is A, then the opposite side will be 4 and this will be 5 because sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out this side length, which will come out to me as 3. So hence I can say that tan A will be equal to opposite upon adjacent, which is 4 by 3, and hence I can say that A will also be equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. So angle A in terms of sine is sine inverse 4 by 5 and angle A in terms of tan is tan inverse 4 by 3. So that means I can replace this sine inverse 4 by 5 with tan inverse 4 by 3. So I'm considering this as 1. Now similarly we'll convert this cos inverse 63 by 65 in terms of tan inverse. So let's assume this as B. So that means cos B will be equal to 63 by 65 and cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So if you will draw a right angle triangle, so if this angle is B, then adjacent is 63 and hypotenuse is 65. So using Pythagoras theorem, if you try to find this opposite, so it will come out to you as 16. Hence I can say that tan B will be equal to opposite upon adjacent, which is 16 upon 63. Hence B will be equal to tan inverse 16 by 63. So this is my second. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to substitute this and this in the given question. So I can write the given question as tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 16 by 63. So now we'll make a pair and I'm going to use tan inverse A plus tan inverse B formula over here. So I can write this as tan inverse 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12 upon 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 16 by 63. So when you will simplify this, you're going to get tan inverse 63 by 16 and I have here tan inverse 16 by 63. So now here you need to understand that this 63 by 16 is going to be greater than 0. Hence I can write this as cot inverse 16 by 63 plus tan inverse 16 by 63. So this we can't write in terms of cot inverse because here the x value is less than 0. So this identity we can only use when x is greater than 0. So you can see here we got same fractions under the bracket. So cot inverse x plus tan inverse x value is pi by 2, which is basically my RHS. Hence I have proved this.